Hello students, welcome to my class. Today my topic is from chemical bonding, that is hybridization and VSEPR theory. It is very important for NEET examination. So we know what is hybridization. Hybridization is intermixing of atomic orbital of almost same energy or slightly differences in energy to form new orbitals, new car called hybrid orbitals. Hybridization कितने type के होते हैं we know. sp hybridization, second one is sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, then dsp2 hybridization, then sp3 dehybridization or dsp3 hybridization, now sp3d2 hybridization or d2sp3 hybridization or sp3d3 hybridization or d3sp3 hybridization. Clear? When 1s or 1p combine, they form, that means to say sp hybridization means number of hybrid orbital 2. In sp2, number of hybrid orbital 1s and 2p, so that is 3 hybrid orbital. Here 1s and 3p, that is 4 hybrid orbital. Here also 4 hybrid orbital. Now the question arises here. Now which d orbital participate here? In case of dsp2, dx square minus y square participate, and sp3 d3, 1s, 3p and 1d. Total number of hybrid orbital 5. Total number of hybrid orbital 5. Now sp3d or dsp3, which d orbital participate? So in this case we will say dz square. This is the important. Now sp3d2 and d2sp3, this is 1s, 3p and 2d, means total number of hybrid orbital 6 here and also 6 here. In which d orbital participate? So we will say dx square minus y square and dz square. These are the very important one, vvi. Now in sp3 d3 or d3 sp3, total number of hybrid orbital 7 in each case. Which d orbital participate? dxy, dyz and dxz. Clear? सबको समझ में आ गया? You all got it? Yes, these are the various things. Now they are asking if dsp2 and if sp3d or dsp3 and sp3d2 and d2sp3. Generally you will find this thing in geometrical in coordination chemistry. sp3d2 means outer orbital complex and d2sp3 means inner orbital, means if d outside then outer, inside then inner orbital. Similarly this is outer orbital complex, this is inner orbital complex. Clear? Now we know in sp, that is the shape will be generally linear and angle is 180 degree. In sp2, why? That is triangular planar, and what is the angle? 120 degree. In sp3 degree, sp3 109 degree 28 minute, and the geometry will be that is tetrahedral. Clear? In dsp2 square planar, then and bond angle is 90 degree. In sp3d, tell me pentagonal shape, and the bond angle is that is there are two different bond angle. Remember this? Yes sir, that is 120 degree and 90 degree. That is called trigonal bipyramidal. Clear? Now sp3 d2 octahedral, angle is 90 degree, and sp3 d3, that is called what? Pentagonal bipyramidal, and angle is 72 degree and 90 degree. That we basics things we know very easy. Again I'm repeating, this is 180 degree angle, 120 degree, 109 degree 28 minute, 90 degree sp3d 120 degree and 90 degree, and sp3d2 90 degree, and sp3d3 72 degree and 90 degree. Shape linear, that is triangular planar or plantangular or tetrahedral, square planar, then sp3 d3 trigonal bipyramidal, and octahedral sp3d2, and sp3 d3 and dsp3 is pentagonal bipyramidal. Now the question arises, and we have a table also, no issue. sp, sp2, sp3d, sp2, d, sp3 all have a shape also given. We will come later. Now the question arises here, how to find the hybridization, the big thing, how to find the hybrid. Suppose they are asking, find out the hybridization of CH4, NH3, like NH4 plus, now H2O, anything. Now what will you do in this case? Always remember how to find the hybridization method. First method, that is x is equal to 1 by 2 valence shell electron plus monovalent atom minus charge on cation plus charge on anion. Sir, tell how to solve, no issue. CH4, okay, x is equal to 1 by 2. What is a central atom? C, carbon, because hydrogen are surrounding the carbon. So carbon has valence electron, we know 2 and 4, valence electron 4, put it here 4. Hydrogen is monovalent atom. What are monovalent atom which has valency 1, like hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, these are monovalent atom generally. Clear? Generally, no, these are monovalent atom. Clear? Now, how many hydrogen here is 4 hydrogen. Any plus or minus? No. So minus 0, plus 0, plus 0 here. So x is equal to what? 1 upon 8. 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4 means hybridization 1s and 3p, because total number of hybrid orbital 4, sp3. Clear? Now in ns3 they are asking. Now the method is x is equal to 1 by 2. Number of valence electron, we know nitrogen 2 and 5, you can put it here 5. Number of monovalent atom 3. No charge, minus 0, plus 0. Clear? So x is equal to 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4. So again hybridization is sp3. Is it clear to you? Now if I write a nh4 plus and nh2 minus, so in this case what will you do? X is equal to 1 by 2. Nitrogen valence electron, we know 5. How many monovalent atom? 4. There is a positive charge, so minus charge on cation. How many positive charge? 1. So minus 1. Any negative charge? No. So plus 0. Always remember this is, don't get confused, don't put it here plus 1. क्या हो जाएगा जल्दी बता दो? 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 1 8. X is equal to 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4. Again the hybridization is sp3. Now nh2 minus, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now nitrogen 5, hydrogen 2, which charge? Negative charge, so minus 0, negative charge plus 1. Clear? Because charge on cation plus charge on anion. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4. So hybridization is again sp3. Clear? This is the method to find out the hybridization. Next, the second method. Now second method is again x is equal to steric number, sometimes they tell q plus r by 2. What does it mean and how will you solve? Listen, a second method to find out the hybridization. So suppose if they ask you to find out the hybridization of CH4. Clear? Write down. First of all, count all the valence electron. We know carbon has valence electron 4 and hydrogen and valence electron 1. Hydrogen how many times? 4 times. So 1 into 4, that is 4 plus 4 8. If the total number of valence electron exceed by 8, what I'm telling, exceed by 8, then divide it by 2. But if the total number of valence electron does not exceed by 8, then divide by 2. So x is equal to, so pardon, q is equal to, that q what? 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Any remainder? No remainder. So x is equal to q value 4, no remainder, so 0 by 2. So x is equal to what? 4. If x is equal to 4, then hybridization is sp3. Wait for a moment. I will discuss each and everything again. Suppose if I write that is NH3. Clear? Now nitrogen has valence electron 5. Hydrogen how many times? 3 times. Hydrogen has valence electron 1. 1 into 3. Total number 8. So q is equal to 8 by 2. That is equal to 4. So any remainder? No. So x is equal to q plus r by 2. That is equal to 4 plus 0 by 2. Again x come 4. That is hybridization is sp3. I am taking another example, PCl5. Now count total number of valence electron. Phosphorus has valence electron 5, we know, and chlorine has valence electron 7. ये तो सबको पता है 7. How many time chlorine? 5. 7 35 plus 5 40. Now total number of valence electron exceed by 8, then divided by what? 8. So here q is equal to 40 by 8, that is equal to 5. Any remainder? No. So x is equal to q plus r by 2, that is equal to 5 plus 0 by 2. X is equal to 5. So hybridization is sp3d. Clear? देखो सबको समझ में आया? This is another method. Again I am telling another SF6. Sulfur has valence electron 6, phosphorus 7. 7 into 6. Okay. 40 what? 42 plus 6, 48. Now if the number of valence electron exceed by 8, divided by 8. So 48 by 8, that is equal to 6. Remainder again, no remainder. So x is equal to q plus r by 2. So 6 plus 0 by 2, that is equal to 6. So hybridization is sp3d2. Is it clear? Which method is good for you? You can opt. The third method is just count the number of sigma bond. Suppose in CH4, what draw the structure? Like how many sigma bond? 4 sigma bond. Means x is equal to 4. So hybridization is sp3. Generally, this method is used in organic chemistry. For example, CO2. What is the CO2 structure like this? We know if there's a double bond, 1 sigma and 1 pi. Here is 1 sigma, 1 sigma. 1 plus 1, 2. X is equal to 2. So hybridization is sp2. Clear? It's very simple. Suppose C2H2. Now in this case, C triple bond H and H. This carbon. Here is 1 sigma, and if there's a triple bond, 1 sigma 2 pi. So this carbon, around this carbon there are 2 sigma bond. So hybridization is sp. Pardon. Here hybridization is also sp. Now if I draw the structure of C2H4 like this, चलो इसका बताओ जल्दी से. This carbon has how many sigma bond? 1, 2 and 3 sigma. So hybridization is sp2. Here 1, 2 and 3. Hybridization is sp2. So there are 3 methods to find out the hybridization. Is it clear? Now the question arises here. Sir, what is the hybridization of CH4, NH3 and H2O? In each and every case, you will find the hybridization is sp3, but CH4 has shape tetrahedral, but NH3 has, we know which shape, that is pyramidal shape. Yes sir. And H2O has bend shape, or you can say V shape. Why there is a different shape? They have hybridization sp3. Yes, there come VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory gives you the exact shape of the molecules, and in this case we know according to VSEPR theory which repulsion is more. Lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bone pair, and there comes bone pair repulsion. Always remember. Now how to find the shape of the molecules? देखो इन 3 चीजों को लेके हम लोग कैसे ढूंढ लेते हैं जल्दी से. देखो CH4 है, clear. Now count the total number of valence electron. Total number of valence electron what? Carbon 4, hydrogen 4. Clear? Total number of electron 8. So pair divided by 2 कर दो pair. So we will get 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Total number of electron pair क्या हो गया बच्चा? 4. How many monovalent atom? 4. So lone pair is equal to total number of electron pair and number of bonded atom minus. So lone pair is 0. So in this case, what we are getting? Bone pair is 4, lone pair is 0. If bone pair is 4 and lone pair is 0, then hybridization is sp3 and the shape is tetrahedral. समझ में आया? देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, देखो फिर से. NH3. Now can you draw the structure like this? Clear? And nitrogen has 1 lone pair. Now look at how many bone pair here? Bone pair here 3. How many lone pair here? 1. If 3 bone pair and 1 lone pair, then it will have shape pyramidal. अच्छा, total number of electron pair कितने होंगे? 3 plus 1 4. यही तो बताया था. कैसे ढूंढते हैं? Number of electron pair. So nitrogen has valence electron 5. Total number of monovalent atom 3. 5 plus 3 8 divided by 2. Always 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Total number of electron pair 4. You can find by this method, or you can draw the structure. For example, H2O, we know oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now 2 lone pair. Now in this case, tell me total number of bone pair. Bone which forms bond is 2, lone pair is 2. If bone pair is 2 and lone pair is 2, then shape is V shape. याद रखना. And total number of electron pair 2 plus 2 4. इसको डायरेक्ट भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर कैसे ढूंढते हैं? ऑक्सीजन हैज वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 6, नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम 2. 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. 4 4 आ गया. Clear? This is called VSEPR theory. So maybe hybridization same, but the shape differs, and this shape can be find out the VSEPR theory. Now इधर आ जाओ थोड़ा सा. Now come to the point here. Now listen. Wait for a moment. Look at. If 4 bond pair, lone pair 0, then the shape is tetrahedral. If 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair, shape is trigonal, pyramidal or pyramidal. If 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair, shape is bend shape or V shape. If 5 lone bond pair and 0 lone pair, then trigonal bipyramidal. But if 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair, that is seesaw. In each and every case, total number of electron pair 5, means all the combination has hybridization sp3d. But look at shape changes. Like if 3 bond pair, 2 lone pair, shape is T shape. 2 bond pair, 3 lone pair, shape is linear. This is very, very important. For example, I am giving you few more example. Wait for a moment. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट हूँ, जल्दी से खत्म करना चाहता हूँ वीडियोस को. Now suppose PCl5, ठीक है, ClF3, clear, ClF3. Now tell me, in this case hybridization sp3d, in this case hybridization sp3d, but what is the shape? Now PCl5 का shape बताओ. Now we know phosphorus has number of electron pair. Number of electron. Phosphorus has valence electron 5. Chlorine has valence electron what? Tell me, chlorine monovalent atom 5. 5 plus 5 10 divided by 2. Total number of electron pair 5. Clear? Now how many monovalent atom attach? 5. So number of bond pair also 5. So number of lone pair, tell me. Number of lone pair is equal to, always remember, number of electron pair minus number of bond pair. Now electron pair 5, bond pair 5. 5 5 0 means it has bond pair 5 and lone pair what? 0. Now come here, check. Look at PCl5. Total number of electron pair 5, lone pair 0. So it's have shape trigonal bipyramidal. Clear? Now in come ClF3. Now in ClF3 क्या करेगा बच्चा? देखो, क्लोरीन, number of electron pair ढूंढो. Chlorine has valence electron 7. How many? Only monovalent atom we will consider. How many monovalent atom? We know monovalent atom: hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. These are only monovalent atom. So how many monovalent atom? 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Divided by always 2. This is not the hybridization method. इसमें हमेशा divide करते हैं 2, because one pair contain 2 electrons. So number of electron pair 5. How many monovalent atom? 3. So number of BP, bond pair, will be equal to 3. Clear? The total number of monovalent atom attached is equal to number of bond pair. Number of lone pair equal to number of electron pair minus number of bond pair. 5 minus 3, 2. Means number of bond pair is 3, number of lone pair is 2. If the number of bond pair and lone pair like this, come here, इसको देखो जल्दी से. Yeah, 3 and 2, the shape will be T shape. Now remember, have you heard the structure of ClF3? It is pardon. Yes, it is something like this. ऐसा पढ़ा होगा आपने. ClF3 like this, T shape. Sorry. Clear? And this is. बताओ, ये सही है? सर बिल्कुल गलत है. Lone pair, this lone pair will take the position here. ये भी theory है, याद रखना इस चीज को. This here bent rule modified by, this is the shape. Yeah, this is wrong shape and this is correct shape. Always remember this. Clear? This is the theory, bent rule and modified bent rule. मैंने क्लास में भी आपको बताया था. So VSEPR theory, it gives you the exact step how to find the VSEPR theory by using the method. Hybridization कैसे ढूंढते हैं आपको समझ में आ गया. ये टेबल फिर से देख लो, आराम से समझ लेना. लीनियर, ट्राइगोनल, प्लेनर, बेंड शेप, टेट्राहेड्रल, ट्राइगोनल, बाइपिरामिडल, बेंड, सीसॉ, टी शेप, लीनियर, ऑक्टाहेड्रल, स्क्वायर प्लेनर, स्क्वायर पिरामिडल. अच्छा, अगर 7 हो जाए तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, तो कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाएगा 7 और 0, तो समझ जाना पेंटागोनल बाइपिरामिडल. और अगर 6 और 1 का हो जाए तो डिस्टॉर्टेड ऑक्टाहेड्रल. जैसे XeF6 के बारे में अगर आपसे कोई पूछे, एक थोड़ा सा और देख लो, कभी कभी नीट में आ जाता है ये. If anyone asks you XeF6, चलो इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन बताओ. तो आपको पता है X is equal to 1/2. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जेनॉन का कितना होता है? 8 plus 6. मोनोवैलेंट एटम 6 ही है. 14/2, that means to say 7. If 7 means sp3d3, काउंट करके देखो, 4 plus 3 7. बट इसका जो ज्योमेट्री होगा वो क्या होगा? अच्छा बताओ, टोटल नंबर इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर क्या होंगे? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर. जेनन के वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 8, मोनोवैलेंट एटम 6, डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 14/2. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर 6. नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम कितने हैं जल्दी बता दो? 6. तो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड पेयर क्या होंगे? 6. नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर क्या हो जाएंगे? 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. means bond pair 6, lone pair 1. ये कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाए तो शेप ऑफ XeF6 is distorted octahedral. क्लियर? आई होप हाइब्रिडाइजेशन और आपको VSEPR थ्योरी समझ में आ गई. देयर आर 3 मेथड टू फाइंड आउट द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. चलो मैं अब जल्दी से इसको एंड करता हूं और फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको बताऊंगा MOT. क्लियर?